Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can instantly grow your plants and grow a garden. So you'll need to have two slots, and you'll need to kind of hold the seed that you want to instantly grow. Then you're going to view slots and then load it. And then once there's the transition in between, here's where you left it. You're going to put it. I'll show you in a minute. So just load. Hopefully there's the actual transition. Sometimes it's not there for some reasons. So here, right here, you're going to put it. I think. Maybe I should have done that there. As you can see, it's instantly grown. Is it this one? Oh, well, it's 61%, so it's close enough. But it made it a little bit faster. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. It does work for smaller plants. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.